What makes students stay in school? Educators have explored theories based on everything from student demographics to earlier coursework. However, they haven't had the hard data to prove conclusively what really drives student retention. The predictive capabilities of IBM SPSS Modeler can help address the challenge of student retention. It helps educators quickly spot potential school leavers and create migration remedies for individual students based on data, not guesswork. This student software solution uses sophisticated analytical techniques to predict early which students are at risk of leaving school. By reducing the number of school leavers and raising graduation rates, IBM SPSS Modeler can help your institution maintain strong enrollment levels. The concept behind this solution for student retention is simple yet effective. Data that you're already collecting, such as financial aid information, academic performance, attendance records, demographic data, and survey responses, is driven through a powerful predictive analytics engine. That analysis can easily identify which students are likely to graduate and which are at risk of leaving. How do educators do this? In an easy-to-use software solution called IBM SPSS Modeler. IBM SPSS Modeler mines the data you're already collecting. Then it gives you the tools to build accurate predictive models quickly and intuitively without programming. Armed with this knowledge, you can improve business processes and make more informed decisions, so you can confidently take advantage of customer opportunities. IBM SPSS Modeler's intuitive work palette means you don't need to be a data mining expert to get results. Simply by placing nodes into a stream, IBM SPSS Modeler makes it easy to visualize the entire data mining process and work interactively. And you can dig deep into unstructured data as well to rapidly process a large variety of unstructured text data. You can combine these extracted concepts and categories with your structured data and improve your results. Let's do a quick walkthrough and see how IBM SPSS Modeler works. Start by accessing and combining data from a wide variety of sources and file formats, including databases, IBM SPSS Statistics, IBM Cognos, text files, Microsoft Excel, and others. No other data mining solution offers this versatility. After data is prepared, you can choose your modeling method. IBM SPSS Modeler provides automated modeling capabilities, which eliminates the guesswork of choosing the best analytical approach. It uses multiple modeling techniques and then ranks them in order of performance, allowing you to select the best model to suit the situation. IBM SPSS Modeler also lets you quickly and easily fine-tune results by rerunning models to make sure you're building out the best possible modeling stream. You can select your own modeling technique, choosing amongst classification, association, and segmentation techniques. You can get results in interactive, highly visual format that's easy to understand and share. You can then apply the models to new data, which enables you to score them and make predictions on the outcomes. The results can be reported and analyzed, or written to other file types, such as Microsoft Excel or text files. They can also be integrated into your company's existing systems by writing directly to databases or utilizing XML export capabilities. IBM SPSS Modeler is fully integrated with other IBM solutions, such as SPSS software, IBM's Cognos and Netezza products. Here one can see the roles of IBM SPSS Modeler and IBM Cognos. In Modeler, one builds predictive models and deploys predictions that can be output to files, reports, or in other systems. One of these systems could be IBM Cognos products, where business users can analyze the results more deeply, incorporating predictions along with other data, choose further visualizations, for example dashboards, and easily distribute the results to broad user communities. Here's an example. Let's say we have an educator that would like to identify students with a higher likelihood of leaving. They would build a stream in IBM SPSS Modeler to make this prediction for each student and implement it into the systems for further action. First, source data would be identified. IBM SPS Modeler can integrate with virtually any data and easily combine inputs from multiple data sources. But in this case, the input is simply a spreadsheet. Next, a type node is added to read the data properties. A model node is then added to make a prediction of the likelihood of each student leaving. A specific modeling technique can be chosen, or methods can be automatically selected. Here, a type of tree diagram is used to predict school leavers. The branches of the tree are created automatically, creating branches at the variable that best predicts student retention. As one can see, 17.5% of students leave each term. By using an ACT test score, it can be shown that those with a score of 17 or lower leave at a rate of 43%. Some of those leavers are, of course, part of a natural student attrition, but IBM SPSS Modeler gives the ability for active intervention to retain the student, for example, offering extra student counseling. At the lowest branch, for the high test scorers, one can see that they leave at a much reduced rate, around 5%. But those that had a higher class rank leave at a higher than average rate, around 19%. A list of the specific students could be created by IBM SPSS Modeler. The students could then be analyzed further to identify why they are leaving. In this example, 91% of school leavers can be identified in 40% of the total number of students, allowing for a much more efficient targeting of student efforts. This is only one form of analysis made possible by SPSS that might be of interest to educators. Others include predictive student performance, predictive financial aid management, predictive campus security, course evaluation and insight, predictive instructor performance, staff recruitment and retention, career matching for entering and exiting students, and predictive analytics enhancements to a curriculum, and more. Learn more about how IBM SPSS Modeler enables educators to dig deep into their data and come up with insightful answers.